What's up, folks? Welcome back to GoodVibes Van. Today we're rebuilding the cabinets. We're gonna do Sugi wood countertops. Put a nice finish on it. Give us a little bit more space. I've already taken and tore out the other cabinet tops and sink. We're doing away with the sink because it never gets used, so it's kind of pointless. We're all about saving space, and this is going to give us another little bit more counter space. Stick around. Let's get it done. All right, folks. Now it's time to play with a little bit of fire. Sugi bond, nice grooves in it. Now we're gonna brush it just a little bit, and then we'll put her in there. Stick around. Glove up. Now we got some clean rags. Clean anyway. We'll be putting some butcher block conditioner on, food grade mineral oil, so it's safe. I think it turned out pretty good looking. Wow. Put the router and rounded the edges off just a little bit so it's not sharp. Alright, we'll let that dry for an hour, maybe a little bit more, and we'll get the countertop put on. Anybody can do it, folks. Anybody. All right, here we go. I've got the first coat of polyacrylic on. It's water-based, protective finish, clear gloss. Takes a couple coats, but stay tuned. It's good to get your brush nice and soaked, get it all uniform, get a good quality brush. See, that holds really well. Ideally, you want to cut in corners first. I'm sure. Boy, it drips. All right, folks, thanks for coming along with GoodVibes Van. As you can see, if I can do this, anybody can do it. really happy with how it turned out. I mean, it ain't the best in the world, it ain't the worst in the world, but I'm happy with it. It's super easy to do. This Sugi bond technique is just, it's freaking amazing. I've taken to it, and I really enjoy doing it. These are some of the other works I've been working on. Chalice wheel. But that's what we're all about here at GoodVibes Van, is teaching people that if I can do it, you can do it. You can Google anything, figure out just about anything, watch a YouTube video. Take your time, do a lot of research. It takes me a long time to figure out things, but that's what it's about. It's the fun of living in a van, is that you can customize and do this how you want to, when you want to. Especially as money comes in, you know, go at your own pace. It's taken us 3 years to start really figuring out exactly what we want and how we want it. And that's what we want to do, is share things with you. This is how I did this. Hopefully you can learn how to do it too if it's something that you're interested in. I hope so. I mean, I hope that this inspires someone to get into woodworking. We have actually launched a company called Mile High Woodcrafts. You can check us out at milehighwoodcrafts.com, where I specialize in the Shou technique. It's a Japanese art of wood preservation for waterproofing. It's basically art with fire. I love how it looks. I love how just everything about it. It's very calming, and woodworking is just, it's in my DNA, and what can I say? It calms me. It keeps me busy. There's always something to do, and hopefully as part of this channel, here and there, that's what I'm going to be doing, is sharing woodworking with you, but it's in a van. I'm doing it in a parking lot, so it shows you that anyone can do it. But thanks for coming along with GoodVibes Van. Like I said, check out milehighwoodcrafts.com. Check us out over at redbubble.com. Like the video, like the content, hit that, smash that notification button. Give us a thumbs up, share, like, comment, and be part of the community. We're all here to live and learn. All right, guys, till the next time, be positive, be cool, always be yourself. Stay good out there. Till the next time.